everybody. This is Billy Bob and Looney Bird here at the Super Santa tracking station, and we're tracking Santa Claus on Looney Bird's new Super Santa tracker station device. Right, Looney Bird?
Right, Billy Bob.
Okay, Looney Bird, and like from our last report, it sounded like he was heading straight this way. Looney, do you still concur with that report?
What does that mean?
Is he still heading this way?
Yeah. Here, listen, I'll go down and turn it on again, okay?
Okay.
I think something's coming over, Billy Bob.
Yeah, what is it?
This is Ice Station Gorilla. This is Ice Station Gorilla. Call the Looney Bird.
Billy Bob, listen.
This is Ice Station Gorilla. This is Ice Station Gorilla. Call the Looney Bird. You copy?
Yes, I'm copying there. Plus buddy 10-4. What is your full modulated RF carrier in your tracking sequences?
Through triangulation with equator 5, we have tracked the object now in a circular holding pattern over Showtape pizza plate. Intended to monitor the space. Wait, hold on. Stand by.
This is the Looney Bird at Showbiz Pizza Place transmission station standing by.
Looney Bird, does something sound funny to you about that transmission?
Yeah, I think the RF modulator is a little bit misadjusted and somewhat calibration probably needs something in there too. It's swirling pulse.
No, Looney Bird. What I mean is there something? Can you repeat that transmission, would you, one more time?
Sure, Billy Bob. This is Looney Bird transmission station at Showbiz Pizza Place. Please repeat the transmission. Out.
This is Ice Station Gorilla. Call the Looney Bird. Doing triangulation with equator 5, we have tracked the object now in a
Would
circular
somebody
holding
please open the Senate curtain for me?
Showbiz pizza plate. Continue to monitor this station. Continue to pay no attention to that grill behind the curtain. Pay no attention to that grill behind the curtain. Well, how y'all expect to get anything on that old thing?
I'm trying to receive a transmission in here. We're tracking Santa Claus.
Hey, Looney Bird, come on up.
Yeah, Looney Bird, look.
Hey, Looney Bird, how you doing? This is Ice Station Gorilla. This is Ice Station Gorilla. Call the Looney Bird.
Real funny.
Well, how you expect to get anything on that thing anyway, Looney Bird? Look, Santa Claus can be coming any kind of way. He can walk through the front door.
Yeah, remember last year he came by the trolley?
Yeah, that's right. Last year he came by the trolley. I remember just like it was yesterday. All right. Watch out. Just chicken. It was the night before Christmas, and Showbiz was packed. Everybody's wondering where Santa was at, because he wrote him a letter and was asking to come. He said he would if he could, if he got his work done.
The theory is Christmas and spread everywhere in hopes that St. Nick was soon to be there. That's on the keyboard and tunes on the drums, Mitzi on vocal, and the moon on the rest of the recording. So, get on the drum. Hello.
What to my wondering eyes should appear was the Showbiz trolley grinding fourth gear. With the little old driver with a big blistered hand, he had to be hooked on Mrs. Pac-Man.
I saw him too. Shouted out clear. Hey everybody, Santa's here. Well, everything stopped when we heard a bang. 'Cause up on the roof, a trolley bell rang.
Then down from the roof came with a bound, bag busted loose off the toy scattered around. Sarah, what is this small
Section, my boy, now get out of my way.
He was all dressed in fur from his head to his foot, and sitting out bottom was fat by the way that he took it.
Somebody gathered his toys and stumbled on in and walked up and counter and sent you a big
I'll trade this whole bag of toys I got in my hand for one more game of Mrs. Pac-Man.
real cashier said, look at it's Christmas and I'm going to back and here's a few cookies. Don't come back.
Lots of toes. Straight to his work. Ready to get hard. Turn with a jerk.
What jerk? Let's get that line off of me. The showroom he ran to see what was about, he couldn't believe that this band could rock out. He did the whole hump grind, the Uncle Bump shuffle, good gosh, the mind of Disney, all whole hustle.
When the fans took a break, so he jumped to the ground. Because he took his dad to the rest.
He passed out the presents he had in his second. He even gave the band a recording contract.
Hello. He started to leave, but we said, don't go.
Cookies and milk, Santa. Ain't got any. Rock-Afire songs, bruh. We got plenty.